Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Microsoft To Do app. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about To Do app. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.